Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making pistachio fluff. This is a super easy recipe that uses instant pistachio pudding to make a delicious dessert. So let's get started. Drain 1 cup of maraschino cherries on paper towels. Then cut each one in half and set them aside. Now roughly chop enough pecans to make a half a cup and set aside. In a large bowl, add 8 to 12 ounces of whipped topping and 1 3.4 ounce package of instant pistachio pudding. Stir this together until it's well combined. Then add 1 20 ounce can of crushed pineapple drained, 2 cups of mini marshmallows, your chopped pecans, and your maraschino cherries. Stir this together until it's well combined. Now just cover this and chill it in the refrigerator for several hours, or preferably overnight before serving. And here it is, pistachio fluff. This is a refreshing dessert that tastes even better the next day. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Add 1 20 ounce can of pineapple, crushed pineapple. Oh no! Pistachio fluff. That didn't sound right. Am I saying that right?
It just sounds funny when you
Pistachio fluff. Pistachio fluff. And here it is, pistachio fluff. That's easy to make. I forgot what I was saying.